a beautifully updated open concept kitchen,
an exceptionally well-maintained family home,
and a large mature lot that backs onto green space. Sound good? Because our listings got all that and more all in today's episode.
So Adam, Mother Nature may not be cooperating with us today, but we have a very special home to share with everybody that's in Barrie's north end. Why don't you share with us a little bit about this location?
Yeah, that's right, Jules. Current snow squalls aside, we have an absolutely fantastic family home here. So calling all you young families or those that are looking to expand, this is going to check a lot of boxes for you. But let's talk about the location first. Again, super family friendly. Lots of parks and green space around here. We are in a terrific school zone. We're within walking distance to Good Shepherd Catholic Elementary School, which is one of the most highly sought after in the area. So you can check that box as well. If you're a commuter and you need to get north or southbound, you can be on the highway here in an instant, which is fantastic as well. And again, we are surrounded by that green space. And speaking of green space, this home actually backs onto green space. We have the 9 Mile Portage Trail here, which is a walking trail system that leads from Barrie here, goes about 15 kilometers into Springwater. It's absolutely fantastic. So no rear neighbors, oversized, large, mature lot. It doesn't get much better when it comes to location.
It certainly doesn't, Adam. And this location is only matched by this home. We have a 2-story all brick Morrow-built home with over 3,000 square feet of finished living space. We have 4 bedrooms up and 1 in the lower level, not to mention 3 bathrooms. But I think, as you mentioned earlier, the best feature about this home is that you have no rear neighbors and you've got an oversized lot. So this one is the one to call home. We can't wait to take you inside.
Welcome inside 29 Benson. Now, what struck me from the moment I set foot inside here is just how well cared for this family home is. And that's because it's only on its second owner. And I can promise you that both have taken exceptional care of it. There are plenty of updates and improvements that your family is going to love here. And it starts with this floor plan. From the moment you walk in, it flows beautifully into this formal living room, which overflows into your formal dining space, perfect for hosting those dinner parties. We have a ton of natural light coming in from all of these oversized windows. And this main floor has a convenient powder room as well as main floor laundry, but there is so much more to see here. Let's get to the back of the house and find Julie.
This home features a family-friendly sized eat-in kitchen. The space is being opened up to accommodate this oversized island, so there's plenty of counter space for entertaining and prepping. And we've got tons of cabinetry, so there's all kinds of space for all of those Costco runs. But my favorite feature about this kitchen is how it flows seamlessly into your living space, complete with gas fireplace. And this area is bathed with natural light. And when you're finished entertaining inside, you can move outside to your backyard with no rear neighbors.
Here we are now on the second level, and those beautiful hardwood floors that you saw throughout the main continue up here. We have 4 terrific sized bedrooms as well as 2 full baths on this level and this incredible primary that I'm standing in right now. It's the perfect size. It's bathed in natural light through these oversized windows. You have room for a king size bed as well as a ton of storage, an updated 4-piece ensuite and a walk-in closet. It truly doesn't get much better.
This home is finished top to bottom, and the pride of ownership is evident downstairs as well. We've got this gorgeous oversized rec room with wide plank flooring and a gas burning fireplace, not to mention an additional bedroom with an oversized window that ensures that overnight guests are always comfortable.
So Jules, so much to love about the home that we just saw. I think honestly the theme of this one is pride of ownership, right? It's so well cared for. There's plenty of cosmetic updates. This is a fantastic opportunity for a family to get into a well cared for home. Now, what we unfortunately cannot show you right now, because we're not willing to trudge through all this snow, is the incredible backyard that comes with this property. We're nearly 50 feet wide here by nearly 110 feet of depth. And again, you have no rear neighbors, so absolute privacy in that backyard. Truly doesn't get much better.
It certainly doesn't. We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Barrie. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.